And welcome back to my channel. It's your girl. Yes, I am back with another video. Anyway, so my last video I promised to do a soft glam and one with lashes. I went and got my lashes done from Kim in Huntsville. I'll put her information down below because of course my phone is recording the information that I wrote down because Rachel's so smart, y'all. Let's get into the video. Right. So as you guys see, my eyebrows are already done. You know what I noticed, you guys? My face is not symmetrical at all. Like, people be saying I'm pretty and I'm like, no, my face is not symmetrical. Like, it just blows my mind. So I'm gonna prime my eyes and I'm using LA Girls Cool Tan. Now, this is going to be exciting getting used to putting on makeup with lashes because it's been almost a year since I went and got my lashes done. Set that with my Juvia's Place setting powder, which put my brushes all the way over there because that was super duper smart of me. So do you guys have any plans for Valentine's Day? Probably gonna be keeping it low-key. So I can't tell y'all my plans. But yeah, comment below, let me know what y'all are doing. Do you guys have any looks, any things you guys bought? I bought some lingerie. But that was about it. I am doing a pink look today. It's by BH Cosmetics. This was their palette last year. First things first, we are going to go in with a transition color. I'm using the brown. Like when palettes do not have the names of their product in, like, for their eyeshadows. Like, why are we doing this to our customers? Trump is still president. You guys, I don't know what color was on my brush, but I forgot to wipe it off and it's definitely messing up here. I'm going to show you guys how we are going to recover this. Because is Rachel taking off all of this makeup? No. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with concealer. I'm gonna put it on the brush. Just want a thin layer. Alright, so after I do that, I'm of course obviously going to set it. And that should help me out. And by should, I mean, in theory, it's like a great idea, but you know. Woo! Right back to normal. Alright. Let's go back in with that brown, the actual brown. Next color I'm gonna go in with is this beautiful pink. This color's not sticking to this brush. There's a lot of flyaway. Let's try another brush, you guys, because this brush isn't working. That color is getting everywhere. All right, so I got these from Slay Bella. Super cute, but let's see if they do anything. It's okay. Alright guys, so I really think that's about as pigmented as it's gonna get. And I'm just gonna bring the color up and blend it into my other colors. I think that's as good as it's going to get. I'm gonna go in with this deeper color right here. Ooh la la, I'm liking it. It's coming along, y'all. I think we go. So with this color right here, I'm just gonna buff out my edges. So I'm gonna put a highlight color. I'm gonna go in with the same palette and I'm gonna use this color that's barely in here. Barely. And then the last eyeshadow thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back in with the pink that I had. I'm just gonna line my bottom eye. So I'm gonna do a very thin waterline. All right, so we are gonna move on to the fun part, which is the face, full face foundation. Of course, you know I'm using my Juvia's stick. That is just going through a lot right now. I have my wet beauty blender and I'm gonna spray my face. Smashbox setting spray and I'm just gonna go in. So you guys, I think I'm gonna change up how I do my routine, just because I absolutely hate going around my eyebrows, especially when I have nails, because I'm like really handicapped when I have nails, so it's not fun. So should have probably shaved my mustache, though. Now, because this is soft glam, I am not gonna contour as much as I would. Get another spray because my face is feeling a little. I'm trying Synergy's kombucha. I don't like you having kombucha that has other like fruits in it and stuff, but I couldn't find my regular one, so I didn't have a choice. Alright, you guys, so I'm just gonna blend all this together. And then I am going to do underneath my eyes. Now, you might ask, why am I doing that right now when I haven't done my nose? But I do not want to get creases or bags. Dusting on a light layer. Set my contour and my line. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with my Lancome. Ooh, that's not the brush I want to use. Next, I am going to move on to my blush. A mix of this bright pink one and this darker one right here. Alrighty, we are running down to the final product. I'm gonna put some highlighter on my nose. I'm gonna put some highlighter on my cheeks. The other day I made chicken nuggets, and you guys, they were honestly the best thing ever. Vegan chicken nuggets. So I'm gonna line my lips. Right, so this is Burgundy, and this is Perfect Precision by Kiss. And then I got a new lip color. I don't know which one of these I'm going to use, but I've also never tried any of these. I think I might go for this purple. So one of my favorite lipsticks ever was Heroine by, of course, MAC, you know, Rihanna's color. I don't know if they still have it anymore, but I would honestly support MAC just for that color, because that color was gorgeous. All right, this color is pretty popping. See how it looks. Random poppin'. So you guys, I am basically done. This is my finished look. So yeah, you guys, this is my finished look. So cute to me. I don't know about y'all, but to me it was cute. I love the whole purple pink. I haven't done pink in a while now that I think about it. So yeah, I think I had pink makeup on to show you guys how to do my foundation. Don't forget to check it out down below. And for all my new subscribers, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yes, come on. You made it this far to the video. You gotta at least like and subscribe. And share. Tell your friends how quirky and weird this Jamaican girl is. Apparently I'm cute too, so you know, that's also a plus. Don't forget, I'm watching all of y'all. And if you don't like and if you don't subscribe, I'm gonna come to your... Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for the support and love. Hopefully this video wasn't too long. It's your girl Scarletmaze. Bye.